dreams.
I'm Arfa Ali. I study at School of Enablers. I'm in 7th standard. My experience is really marvelous and amazing at School of Enablers. I'm really satisfied. They have focused on our tarbiyat skills as well on our academic skills as well as tarbiyat program.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saqib Azhar and I study in grade 7. I am very happy to be a part of School of Enablers. I want to thank my teachers because they are all very hardworking. They do not only focus on our education but they also focus on our tarbiyat. And I am the value ambassador of gratitude and I want all of my students to be like me.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hadi Sajjad and I am a value ambassador of cleanliness. I want every student to be like me. The School of Enablers is not only working on our academics, they are also working on our tarbiyah. Thank you School of Enablers for all of this.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafsa Rahman and I am the student of School of Enablers. So first of all, I would like to thank all the teachers who have improved my language skills and my English. I would like to thank my principals who have arranged Taaleem o Tarbiyat program which has improved me a lot. Thank you.
My way is to fight the prophet.